Next up is Genesis. So Genesis had a drone show in China to celebrate Genesis' arrival in China, that they're officially going to be, arriving in China. And they had a record-breaking number of drones that were in this show. That was 3,281 drones that were made up of basically over the harbor with just different designs in the sky using over 3,200 drones. And this was a world record. Previously, the world record was using about 3,051 drones. This is about 225 drones more than the record. And the designs look like, when I looked at this, what this makes in the sky, the designs look like something you would see out of like a futuristic movie. And because they're like fireworks, but it looks like there's statues and things in the sky. It looks like it's just graphics. It doesn't even look real, in my opinion. Like, you see the Genesis logo, you see the different cars that they make out of drones, and this is pretty cool. This is the world record for the most unmanned aerial vehicles airborne simultaneously. So no one's controlling them. They're just all programmed to form in these different designs. But this was Genesis, their official celebration of launching in China. So this is Hyundai's luxury electric vehicle, which their luxury vehicle brand, which is Genesis. This was pretty cool. Like, I would rather probably see this than fireworks. I think this is cooler than fireworks. They could do so many cool designs with this, and they could go up just as high. They could have just as cool of designs. I like this. I think this looks really, really cool.